In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to create questions in LearnWorlds Online. Whether you're setting up quizzes, surveys, or assessments, this process can be a game changer for your course creation. Stick around until the end for a surprising twist and an exclusive offer on a free trial. First, head over to your LearnWorlds dashboard. From the main menu, click on Courses and select the course you want to work with. Once you're inside, navigate to the Assessments tab where you'll find all the options for creating tests, quizzes, and questions. Next thing, click on Add New Question to start creating your content. LearnWorlds allows for a variety of question types, including multiple choice, true/false, short answer, and even video-based questions. This is where you can customize how your learners engage with your content. Choose the format that best suits your learning objectives. The third thing to keep in mind is setting the correct answers and feedback. After you've added your question, you'll be prompted to select the correct answer. You can also add feedback for correct or incorrect responses, which is essential for reinforcing learning. The feedback options are easy to edit, ensuring your learners get the right information after each attempt. The fourth thing, don't forget to assign point values to each question. This is an important step because it allows you to track learner progress and keep the assessments aligned with your course goals. You can also create question pools, meaning you can randomly generate questions from a larger set. This is perfect for making sure students don't get the same questions every time. Next, customize the settings for the quiz or assessment as a whole. This includes determining how many attempts a learner can make, whether they can review the answers, and if you want to shuffle the questions for variety. These settings ensure that your assessments are as flexible and challenging as you need them to be. The sixth thing is testing your questions before going live. It's always good practice to preview your quiz and make sure everything flows well. LearnWorlds gives you a preview option, which lets you take the quiz yourself to spot any issues before learners start. Now, here's the twist. While LearnWorlds is a strong platform, there are other software tools out there that offer more flexibility and user-friendly options for creating questions and assessments. For example, if you're looking for something that provides more integration with third-party apps or a more streamlined interface, there are alternatives that might better suit your needs, especially if you're focused on learner engagement and scaling your content. And now for the exciting part. Through our exclusive link, you can get the best free trial available for LearnWorlds. Plus, I've added some amazing alternatives that are better suited for those looking to reach more interactive and engaging learning goals. These tools also offer free trials, so you can explore your options risk-free. Don't miss out on these exclusive benefits. Check out the link in the description for the best offers available.